Greetings, Earthling. If you ever had any questions about naked eye stars in the sky or constellations, I'm just curious if anyone needs any information. I can probably answer it. Northern and southern hemisphere constellations. If you ever had a question about any star you recognized in the sky, or something you wanted to learn more, feel free to ask. So, that's why I'm here. So, any questions? Any questions about the stars? Let's see, I have stars. That is Draco. Eltonin. Well, wait a minute. Wait. Yeah. Wait. Eltonin is an orange star in the head of Draco. See, you should learn more constellations. Get this lighting on me. Alright, whoa. Check out this light. Holy moly. Yeah, Hollywood quality. I'm famous. Look at that. Look at that spotlight. What's my favorite? My favorite star or constellation? Oh, well, favorite star, Well, you know what, I like these stars. They're called carbon stars. They're extremely red, very deep red stars. Oh, constellation, okay, wait, let me think. My favorite stars are in the southern part of the sky. So let me see. That's a good question. Favorite constellation? I'm thinking. I'm sorry. Let me think. Because there's a lot of cool stuff in all the constellations. I mean, there is Centaurus. But, let me see. Wait, Scorpius. Lupus. Yes. My favorite constellation. Let me think. You know what? My favorite constellation would probably be Aquarius. No, it's Aquarius, Joy Plague, because before I even knew what Aquarius was, I was you know, this is strange how I learned Aquarius. I was with my ex-girlfriend's sister. When I found my favorite constellation, I was with my ex-girlfriend's sister in the desert on a ranch, and we were stargazing, but I was still learning the stars. This was like in October of 1998. But see, Aquarius looks like water droplets. If you ever see it like on the ocean or in the desert where it's really dark, Aquarius literally looks like water droplets. There's 3 chains of stars that resemble water droplets. I could probably show you Aquarius right now. Amanda the Mama, come show you the stars. I charge $1,000 an hour. But yes, my favorite constellation would be Aquarius. Now watch this. Let me see. So there's my tablet. Wait, let's find Aquarius. Oh, there's Centaurus. Look at that, the centaur, and then the Southern Cross. See the Southern Cross? But Alright, well, the lady who asked about Aquarius, I don't know if she's still here. Oh, tap some hearts if you don't mind. I'm trying to collect hearts. Oh, hi. I'm trying to get up to 50,000 hearts. I got 47.8 hearts right now, so if you get me up to 50,000, I'd appreciate it. I've seen some people around here, they have like 1 million hearts, 2 million hearts. I like the hearts, though, Bobcat. No, the hearts are cool because they're a status symbol. It's like a Ferrari, like a Porsche, you know? It's a status symbol. I like it. Thank you for the hearts. Appreciate it. So, I'm enjoying my spotlight here, as you can see. Let me see. I love light. As a photographer, you gotta love light. Light is very inspiring. Trying to get a good angle on this light. Let's see here. Trying to squeeze. Whoa. Alright, there we are. I'm about going blind right now with this spotlight. Oh, it's too bright. Get a look at this spotlight. Super powerful. Hello. Oh, thought I lost everybody. Well, again, I am a sky expert. I am a famous photographer. Look me up on Google. I did work for the Discovery Channel, National Geographic. I had an agency in New York City on 5th Avenue that represented me, and they sold my work to Canon Cameras in Japan. The parent corporation of Canon Cameras, world headquarters of Canon North America in Japan, they bought one of my photographs. If you want to see my track record as a highly endorsed photographer in the news and entertainment industry, send me your email and I'll email you my portfolio. But you gotta go to Facebook and pick up my fan page, which is Magic Carpet Stargazing, and then message me your email and I can send you an email from my Gmail of all my famous photography accomplishments. You know, chemtrails, you think you know what chemtrails are. I have photographed rocket vapor trails, which are crazier than chemtrails. I have photographed missile launches from federal Air Force bases that are freaking crazy. They look like egg yolk pouring down the sky. You thought chemtrails were crazy. I have seen some effed up shit as a photographer. But, you know, you gotta, well, let me think. If you go on, you know what? I think I have them. If you go to Google, I think I have one published somewhere. Let me think. Oh, no. You can go to Flickr on Yahoo. No, okay, watch. Here's what you do, Light Show Man. Go to Google and type my name, Chris Grohusko, Grohusko, and then when you do that, so Chris Grohusko, and then with that type Flickr, Flickr, and then type what's the name of that photograph? I called it shoot, that missile launch photo, I gave it a name. Let me see, what was it? I forgot the name of it. But if you go to my Flickr photographs, you can see all of them there. Everything. So, Chris Grohusko, Flickr, Yahoo. No, Flickr. Flickr. That's my website, Flickr, from Yahoo. So if you go on that page, you can see all my photography. So anyone ever have any questions about the stars? Any star you've ever seen in the sky, that you ever had a question about, or that you ever wanted to identify, feel free to ask, because I've seen basically every star you can see with your naked eye. I've seen it. So I am that obsessed and addicted to the night sky that I have seen every star you can point out in the sky, whether it's fall, spring, winter, or summer. I have seen every star there is to see. My last name, Grohusko. Grohusko. So this light is cool. Like, I like, we could make some nice photographs right now. But I look like a villain. Like this is the next villain idea for Hollywood. Eye in the hand villain. That's cute. Carlos, what are you doing here? Oh boy. I can't see. I got the bright spotlight in front of me. Any questions, folks? Any questions about the stars? Tell us about... No, I don't know any cosmology. I only know stargazing. I'm not cosmologically inclined. So, nobody has any questions about the stars? Vega. Okay, that's easy. Vega means vulture in Arabic. Oh, hold on, light show man. Let me finish this bobcat guy first. Vega is Arabic for vulture. Now, the constellation Lyra, the harp, contains Vega. It's part of the summer triangle, with the other stars Deneb in Cygnus and Altair and Aquila, the eagle. Now, it took me a while to see the constellation Lyra as a vulture, but it really does look like a vulture, and the way I saw it is because some of the stars in that constellation resemble talons of an eagle, so it clearly does look like a vulture. And I swear to God, Vega is the eye of the vulture. If you look at that constellation vertically overhead in the summer, you can see talons. Some of the talons in that constellation are formed by the stars Eta and Theta Lyrae. So it's pretty cool. Like, when you look at that constellation and appreciate and understand it, Vega really does resemble the eye. It not only resembles, it is the eye of the vulture. It is crazy. But it took me a while to see that. It took some practice over a few months or so. But Light Show Man, what was your question? Man, this light is blinding me. Oh, the 3 stars connected in the east from the moon. Wait a minute, that could be Orion's belt. Let me see here. Oh yeah, you're welcome, Bobber. Let me see, I'm at this grocery store. Where's the moon? Let me just get, well, I'll double check that on my tablet. Hold on. Oh, hold on. The moon. Hold on. The moon is where? Wait a minute. Oh, hold on. Wait a second. Shit. The moon is located around the Avondale area. What constellation did the 3 wise kings follow? I don't believe there was a constellation they followed. You know, back on June 30th of this year, well, they feel it was Venus and Jupiter. It couldn't have been a star. Now, Takwa, I mean, in the rare scenario that it was a star, it would have had to have been a supernova. But there is no supernova recorded when Christ was born. No, it was Venus and Jupiter. You know, Takwa, they aligned so strongly in June of this year. They feel that was the Star of Bethlehem. I was doing a story on it with CBS 5 here in Phoenix. But we had to cut it short because it was cloudy. But Venus and Jupiter, when did they align? On June 30th. If you go to Google and type spaceweather.com, Venus-Jupiter conjunction 2015, it'll pull it up. It was on June 30th. It was hashtagged as the Star of Bethlehem. So it hadn't happened in 2,000 years that Venus and Jupiter were aligned in the evening. So that was pretty special. Let's see, I'm still trying to find the moon here for Light Show Man. Where's the moon tonight? Let me think. Orion's belt, like you had said. Oh, well, hold on. I'm still... Thank you. I'm to Google that. Oh, thank you, Miss Takwa. Be sure to follow me, Takwa. I don't think you're in my follow list. What's a good star app? Oh my God, I can tell you that. Go look on Android. Okay, for Android, do you have an Android or an iPhone? The worst app out there is Google Sky. Don't use it. Oh, iPhone. Well, see if you can get something called G Lunatic. G and then Lunatic. I think it's only for Android, but if you want a good one for iPhone, you can get Sky Safari. It's kind of expensive. It could be $12. But Sky Safari is a serious app. And if you don't want to spend that much, just get Star Walk. Star Walk is pretty cool. So those are the main iPhone apps, Star Walk or Sky Safari. Sky Safari is a very professional app. That'll give you some pretty awesome stuff. And there's like 4 versions of Sky Safari, so that's a cool one. And oh yeah. Oh, believe me. I hate to say this, but I am literally a genius of the sky. I mean, people throw money at me when I have my telescope set up. They're like, let me see that. Let me see that planet. Let me see. I mean, I make tons of money using my telescope in public. But, yeah, I memorize all the constellations and all the stars you can see with your naked eye. It's pretty crazy. I mean, I literally am a genius of stargazing. I mastered it. Dropped out of college to do it. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I could go anywhere in the world with no resources and just tell what the sky is. Like, I could just read it without any assistance. No compass, no app. What is the stars that are in a triangle shape? Well, it depends which way you're looking. I mean, it's probably Cassiopeia. The only triangles out there, there's a triangle in Pegasus marked by a star called Sadalbari, S-A-D-A-L-B-A-R-I. Sadalbari is in Pegasus. It's an orange star, but that might not be the triangle you're seeing. And then the other triangles are formed by Cassiopeia, so you might be looking at Cassiopeia. It depends if you're looking north or east or overhead. Pegasus is right beside Cassiopeia. North. Yeah, you're probably looking at Cassiopeia for sure. It's Cassiopeia. Those stars, one of the stars in there is called Shadar. S-C-H-E-D-A-R, Shadar. Looking eastbound. Well, I gotta, you know what? Let me get out of this grocery store patio. Hold on a second. Let's see here. This tablet has a really bad time with Google Sky. Let me see here. West. Southwest. East. Hold on, guys. Why can't I find the moon on this app? My tablet's horrible with Google Sky. I don't know why, but I like the way that looks. Well, all right. Enough of this app. So let me go out of this area here. Hold on. Just a second, I gotta clean up my mess here. Alright, I gotta load this tablet back up. Hold on. Let's see. I'm gonna go cruise under the sky here in a minute. Hold on. Oh, still here. All right, let's go. Under the sky we go. All right, Carlos. Alright, so I'm proceeding to get out of this shopping center patio. And get those pretty flowers. Alright, so now we're going out into the sky. Where's that young lady? Tack clock. Where are you? Tack clock. Well, looks like I'm going into outer space here. The sky got black all of a sudden. Let's see here. Alright, so I'm looking south. And there's west. And hey, light show man, are you still there? Light show man, come in. You know, hey, light show man, you know what? Orion is too far away from the moon. I can tell you right now, you said there was 3 stars by the moon? Yes or no? Okay, because, hold on, let me see here. I'm looking at the moon and it's in Aquarius, but, hold on. So damn bright out here at this stupid parking lot. Away from the moon, those stars will be located in the East Valley area. Oh. Yeah, that was probably Orion, but... yeah, it is. It is Orion. Now... these cars are speeding through this parking lot. Let's see. Oh, okay, Pisces. Oh, okay. Yeah, if you look to the upper right of the moon, you'll see these stars. They're like kind of faint, but not really. But there's this group of 3 stars. It looks like a bow and arrow. And that is Aquarius. It's actually called the water jar of Aquarius. And it's cool. If you take an upper right, if you go upper right of the moon, like if you put your fist at arm's length, right? Okay, if you put your fist on the moon, okay, like turn your fist. Let me show you. If you see the moon there, if I take my fist and put it right above the moon, where my fist ends on the top is those stars, and your fist is 10 degrees of geometric arc. So that group of stars is 10 degrees above the moon, and that is the water jar of Aquarius. So yeah, those stars, if you look at the top, my top knuckle, see how I put my fist above the moon? So where my last knuckle ends is where those stars are, the water jar of Aquarius. You should try that and learn some stars. This is 10 degrees right here. My fist is 10 degrees above the moon, and that's where those stars are. And that's the water jar of Aquarius, 10 degrees above the moon. Now, what star do I... Well, I can follow any star. It doesn't really have to be anything special. There's too many stars for me to use. But, I mean, I think, well, I would normally, like, use a bright one because you don't have to struggle to find it. So, I mean, I could use Arcturus to know that I'm west. I could use Polaris to know I'm north, of course. I could use to know that I'm east. Well, it depends on the season also. But like Sirius is southeast or south, which is the Polaris Star. Polaris is a North Star. It connects to the Little Dipper, and it's near the Big Dipper. And then if it's summertime in the east, well, yeah, you have, let me see, summer in the east. Vega, Deneb, Altair, those are, well, not always in the east. Those are overhead in the summer and a little bit east. No, they're more northeast and southeast. What else? Long story short, yeah, like if to know that I'm west, I would use, well, you know, it depends. If it's spring, then Arcturus is one of the bright stars in the east. What else? You have Sagittarius in the south, in the summertime. In the autumn, you have a star called Mirfak, M-I-R-F-A-K, Mirfak. Mirfak is near Andromeda. That's pretty much in the fall. That's a bright star. There's Algol, A-L-G-O-L. Those are in the constellation of Perseus. So, what else? Aries. Oh, Aldebaran. That's a cool star in Taurus. A reddish star. That's out in the fall. That's for sure. You know. Okay, a good star that marks east is Aldebaran. That is a cool star. That is a very bright orange star. Glittering, sparkly star in the east. So never forget Aldebaran. That is a cool star. That always actually is cool, literally cool. It's an orange star. It's a very low surface temperature star. So that's a cool one. It's so funny, no pun intended, but yeah, Aldebaran is a cool star in both senses of the word. What else? Oh, Capella. Oh, that's an awesome star. Yeah, Capella is a beautiful star. That's very bright, and that totally marks northeast. So northeast is marked by Capella, east is marked by Aldebaran, but that's only in the fall or late summer. Now in winter you have Sirius, you have Orion. In the south you have a faint star called Acamar, Acamar. That's kind of faint but still bright. In the fall in the south you have Fomalhaut. You have what else? A star called Dipda, Diphda, and Cetus. And I think everybody left this broadcast. Well, I better turn off before my phone memory gets eaten up by these videos. Any more questions, Light Show Man? Group sitting. What's that? Join you. Oh, group sitting. Oh, I don't know. Join me, like what? Join me in person? Sight. No, it's to see, sight the stars. Oh, sight, see the stars. Well, I mean, I set up on 24th Street in Camelback at the Biltmore Fashion Park, but of course the fee is $5, so it's for looking through the telescope. Ask you in person. Ask what? Oh, yeah. So yeah, I mean, the only place I do public events is at the Biltmore Fashion Park. But yeah, come out there, but bring a $5 bill. Because I gotta pay for my equipment. You know, I reinvest the money in my equipment. I need to repair it and stuff like that sometimes. So I need to kind of be sure I get some compensation when I set up my equipment. But anyhow, yeah, what was that? Go ahead again. No, it's not a park. It's a fashion mall on 24th Street in Camelback. I'll be there tomorrow and Saturday from 6 to 11. Six p.m. to 11 p.m. No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. But the grocery store closes in half an hour. I gotta buy some burritos. So I will let you go. But thanks for hanging around. Don't forget to follow me if you haven't already. I appreciate your questions. It's been fun. Thanks for sticking around. Could have been just me, but thanks for keeping the life going on the video. And have a good one, Mr. Kevin. All right, take care. Bye.